Are you ready to elevate your tech game without emptying your wallet? Dive into our handpicked selection of the coolest, most innovative gadgets you can snag on Amazon for under $100. Tiny Game Console. Step into a world where big fun comes in small packages with tiny game consoles. These miniature marvels are more than just a blast from the past. They pack a punch with a library of classic games and modern features, all while fitting comfortably in the palm of your hand. Perfect for on-the-go gaming. These compact consoles offer a delightful mix of retro charm and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a nostalgic gamer looking to relive your childhood favorites, or a tech enthusiast curious about the latest in portable gaming, Tiny Game Consoles deliver endless entertainment and a touch of whimsy. Fabric Shaver. Revitalize your clothes with a fabric shaver. Compact, efficient, and easy to use. It effortlessly removes lint, pills, and fuzz, restoring your garments to their pristine, like new condition in seconds. Pedometer. A pedometer tracks your steps with precision, encouraging a healthier lifestyle by monitoring daily activity. Compact and easy to use, it's your perfect companion for achieving fitness goals and staying motivated. Cooper Cooler. The Cooper Cooler rapidly chills beverages in minutes, using a patented cooling technology. Ideal for parties or gatherings, it ensures your drinks are perfectly chilled and ready to enjoy, saving time and enhancing convenience. Fragrance Diffuser. A fragrance diffuser gently disperses essential oils or scented liquids, creating a soothing atmosphere in your home. It enhances ambience, reduces stress, and adds a touch of luxury to any space with minimal effort. Auto Card Shuffler. An auto card shuffler streamlines game preparation by effortlessly mixing decks of cards with the push of a button. Perfect for game nights and reducing manual effort. It ensures a fair and random shuffle every time. Automatic Cat Feeder. An automatic cat feeder offers convenience and peace of mind by delivering precise, scheduled meals for your feline friend, even when you're not home. Equipped with programmable timers and portion control, it ensures your cat receives consistent feeding, maintains a healthy diet, and saves you time and effort. Ice Maker. An ice maker delivers a steady supply of fresh, clear ice quickly and efficiently. Perfect for parties or daily use, it ensures you never run out of ice and keeps beverages perfectly chilled. Mini Fridge. A mini fridge offers compact, convenient cooling for small spaces. Ideal for offices, dorms, or bedrooms, it keeps snacks and drinks chilled while saving space and providing easy access to your essentials. Levitating Moon Lamp. A levitating moon lamp combines captivating design with technology, featuring a floating moon that gently illuminates your space. It adds a magical touch to any room, creating a serene and enchanting atmosphere. Portable Coffee Maker. A portable coffee maker is your perfect travel companion, brewing fresh coffee anytime, anywhere. Compact and easy to use, it allows you to enjoy your favorite brew on the go, whether you're camping, at the office, or in a hotel. Convenience and quality coffee are now always within reach.